Hey, my name is Booms. I'm gonna turn this into this. Hey guys, today I'm gonna be cooking chicken sinigang. This is very easy to cook. This is one of the Filipino dishes, and this is one of our family's favorite meal. Okay, and I'll show you how. First, you sharpen your knife, so make sure it's super sharp. Here we use one medium size of onion. You just slice it. 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, chop. Also put some ginger. You just slice them, and like 3 pieces of tomato. Just slice it to small sizes. For vegetable, I put some radish. You just have to cut them, slice them into a bite size. Some eggplant. I put like 2 pieces of eggplant. Just slice them. Some string beans. We call it what we call this in Tagalog? We call this sitaw. Sitaw. Some beans. And some okra, or they call it lady's fingers. I don't know why they call this lady's fingers. Some moringa, one of the most healthiest vegetables of all time. They even called it a miracle tree. Just like half a cup of it. And some kangkong, of course. In English they call them water spinach. Now let's do the cooking. Here we have just it's one full of chicken. I just asked the guy to chop it and remove the skin, and I put some spices like salt and pepper, a teaspoon of turmeric, just to marinate them. Leave them a couple of minutes. At the heated pan, I just put the chicken just to slightly cook them until it's like golden brown. And then after cooking them until golden brown, mix it a little bit and then set it aside. In the same pan that we fried the chicken, I put some onion. I didn't even put some oil. I just put it straight away. Garlic. You just mix them until it's slightly brown. I added the ginger, cooked them a little bit, and then I added the tomato. Once the tomato is cooked, I added the chicken and mixed them. Seasoned them with the sinigang mix. Some salt and pepper and a little bit of sugar. Add some water and let them to boil. So once it's boiling already and you think the chickens are cooked, you can start adding the vegetables and mix them well and let them boil again. And for me, I put last the what you call this, the water spinach and the moringa, because I don't want them to be overcooked. So just put them on top, and it's ready to serve. Are you gonna try it? I'm gonna give you, okay?
Okay.
Right. It's super hot. Is it good?
Oh, so good. Oh, it's so good.
Did you cry?
Yeah. That's why it's one of my favorite dishes. So good.
Thank you guys for watching, and hope you enjoyed the video. Bye!